We have a saying in the United States that says we don't want to meet at the disaster. We want to know each other before we get there. And so today what we're doing here is exactly that. We're collaborating and exchanging ideas before the disaster.
Izkušnje, ki jih pridobivamo od ameriških kolegov, so za nas zelo dragocene. Hkrati pa je to tudi priložnost, da se izmenjajo izkušnje tudi z državami iz Zahodnega Balkana in Avstrije, ki so prav tako prisotne na dogodku, in pa med vsemi deležniki v Sloveniji, ki sodelujejo v sistemu in pri pripravljenosti in odzivu na nesreče.
Every culture, every nation shares the same challenges with coordinating the different disciplines that have to be engaged to respond to and recover from a disaster. And that's a challenge across the world. And that coordination is really hard. To integrate different disciplines from police to fire to volunteers and the military. And it is absolutely crucial. In fact, any relief effort will fail if you cannot coordinate across and collaborate across the different agencies and departments that have to respond. And that collaboration has to start well before the disaster.